Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 4K quality video edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to copy and paste this video here, and I'm going to go to the adjustments tab, go to curves, and you're going to do the same thing that I'm doing here. So put the left dot to the top and put the right dot to the bottom, and you're just going to do that for everything. Once you're done, go to video, go to blend mode, and select linear burn and kind of adjust the opacity here. You can also choose color burn, but I prefer linear burn. It depends on your video. Go to library and add in a wide stock video. If you want, just freeze frame it and enlarge it. Go to blend mode, select overlay, and adjust the opacity if it's too bright. Go to the first video, go to adjustments, go back to basic, and you're just going to sharpen the video from here. You can adjust the contrast and the brightness as well of the video, and you can go to the overlay and sharpen it from there as well. Maybe add in some clarity or not. But that's pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions regarding this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.